That's a great thing that you mentioned. Can you mention some of those conferences that you're speaking at and building your network with?
Okay, well, because I'm in the Microsoft data community, I'm very fortunate that there's a group of conferences called SQL Saturdays or SQL Saturdays that during normal times, there's probably pretty much one or two a week just in the United States every weekend, and then in the rest of the world as well. And now Microsoft has taken their focus just from the narrow SQL Server ecosystem more out into the wider open source and data science world. You can really meet a lot of people, even if you're not kind of keyed into SQL Server. You can talk to a lot of people that are doing data science with Python or with R, or they're doing, they're not down in the data, but they're working with Tableau or Power BI. To do those kind of things. You really get that broad spectrum of here's a ton of different people doing a ton of different things with data, and you can go to these events, pretty much every weekend if you like to travel. Let's say kind of the umbrella organization of that is called PAST. They do a lot. They have a lot of virtual chapters as well, which now in this time is obviously great. But even once we get back to normal, there'll be people doing presentations, getting them up there, really spreading the knowledge out there to all the other data professionals. And you don't necessarily see that type of openness, in every community out there.
If you want even more, you can tune into the extended version that includes the Q&A that the guest has with our audience. You can get that by visiting greattechpros.com. Also, make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss out on our next great technology professional who's passionate about helping you become a great tech pro who's in high demand.